NordVPN DNS servers. What are NordVPN DNS server addresses? How to use them like pro. NordVPN provides private DNS servers to enhance security and prevent DNS leaks while using a VPN. The official NordVPN DNS server addresses are 103.86.96.100, 103.86.99.100. How NordVPN DNS works. When connected to NordVPN, your device automatically uses Nord's private DNS servers instead of your ISP's DNS. This ensures that your DNS queries remain encrypted and protected from third-party monitoring. Pros of using NordVPN DNS servers: enhanced privacy, prevents ISPs and third parties from tracking your browsing activity. Protection against DNS hijacking, stops attackers from redirecting your traffic to malicious sites. Improved security, reduces the risk of phishing and malware attacks. Better streaming access, helps bypass geo-restrictions on streaming platforms. No DNS leaks, ensures that your real IP address isn't exposed while using NordVPN. Cons of using NordVPN DNS servers: limited customization, unlike third-party DNS providers, example Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, Nord's DNS servers don't offer advanced filtering options. Potential speed variations: some users may experience slower DNS resolution compared to other high-performance DNS providers. Restricted to VPN use: Nord's DNS servers only work when connected to the VPN, meaning they can't be used independently. How to change DNS settings in NordVPN. If you need to manually set Nord's DNS servers: 1. Open NordVPN app and go to Settings. 2. Navigate to Advanced Settings. 3. Enable Custom DNS and enter 103.86.96, 103.86.99.100. 4. Save changes and restart your connection.